What's the meaning of coastal? Coastal. Coastal.
Coastal. Coastal. The term coastal refers to the region or area that is located adjacent to or near the coast or shoreline of a body of water such as the ocean or a large lake. Coastal areas are often characterized by unique ecosystems and geological features, which can include sandy beaches, rocky cliffs, salt marshes, and estuaries. They may also be home to a variety of species of flora and fauna that are adapted to living in marine environments. Coastal regions can be important for economic activities such as shipping, tourism, and fishing.